This content is the property of Put It Out There TV, also known as PIOT TV, a property of the House of Yasha Allah El Trust. If you are viewing and or listening to this content on a non-PIOT TV branded platform, then we kindly ask that you stop and flag this content for copyright infringement. Thank you.
That's crazy, yo. That is super duper crazy. And I'm just going to, take my time on this. I need y'all to comprehend this. Okay? It looks fine. It looks great. It looks cool. It looks great that you can put up a meme and you can put up a little bit of knowledge. But let me tell you something. To the real scholars out there, to the real civilized world, when you are ignoring scholarship, when you are ignoring the 8 parts of speech, when you are ignoring etymology, when you're ignoring thesauruses and definitions and ancient linguistics and things of this nature, your wokeness is a fucking joke. Period. Period. Real scholars are annoyed by your wokeness. Real scholars are annoyed by your wokeness and your haughtiness. Because it's like these people said they're the gods and the queens of the earth and they civilized us, yet they keep calling themselves us. They keep calling themselves black. They keep calling themselves pale. Yet, they're the red bones and they're the yellow bones and they the mochas and the pecans. But for some reason, they're calling themselves black. They're calling themselves pale. They're calling themselves colored people. And why do they call themselves that? Because they still feel that the European has some type of authority and they feels like the European told them some truth and he gave them the name that their ancestors identified with. You should see how many people try to blatantly go against, not me, but go against what I've said as far as presenting the facts. Like they go out of the way, and we're black queens, and we're the black gods, and our toes is black, and the fungus in between it is black, and when I wipe my booty, what come out on the toilet paper is black. Like they go out of their way to get extra black once I've made it clear what my standing is on black. Not even necessarily my standing, what it says in the books, what it says in the black and white. And see, that's what I'm saying. All these people talk about they went to college, but you went to college just to get a job to work for a European man. That's what it is. Because that education really means nothing at the end of the day. You went to school so somebody can give you a job. Because you can't be a logical functioning member of society when you think that black comes in more than one shade. You can look in the mirror and see that you're obviously not black. Somebody can go into the dictionary and show you that it's an achromatic color. It's a Germanic word, right? Anglo-Saxon, that means pale. So that definitely can't be you. That's fraud. That's color. Supposed to be the ancients, yet you want to go and get a word from the 15th century and place it on you as the ancient. Part of the game is that. But anyway, let me stop rambling. Let me go ahead and get into this law dictionary. This is Black's Law Dictionary. I need to make it clear to you people who call yourselves colors. This is Black's Law Dictionary. It is a law dictionary that is used worldwide in courts all across the world, specifically in the Western world. All right. So when you're using these terms in their jurisdictions, because these are their words and these words are from their jurisdictions, this is what you are saying. So we already saw that color is deceptive. We've already seen that color is deceptive. We just saw that in the Webster's dictionary. Okay, so Black's Law Dictionary, 6th edition.
This content is the property of Put It Out There TV, also known as PIOT TV, a property of the House of Yasha Allah El Trust. If you are viewing and or listening to this content on a non-PIOT TV branded platform, then we kindly ask that you stop and flag this content for copyright infringement. Thank you.
Color, an appearance, semblance, or simulacrum, which is similarity, as distinguished from that which is real. This is in the law dictionary. Color, an appearance, semblance, or similarity as distinguished from that which is real. Hence, a deceptive appearance, a plausible, there goes that word plausible again, assumed exterior, concealing a lack of reality, a disguise or pretext. So the fakeness is so fake, the fakeness is so bootleg that it's hiding the fact that it's fake. It's hiding the fact that it lacks reality. Wow. All this real nigga shit. So right here, this says that if you are black, this is at law. This is saying that if you are black, that means that you are a color. You're saying you're a color. Then your appearance is something that is distinguished from that which is real. Let me give you an example of distinguishing real. He's all right, but he's not real. Jay-Z's in the field with Siegs in the. You remember that? You know what I'm saying? Like, he's all right. That's distinguishing. Like, yeah, I see he has a Chrysler 300, but I actually have a Charger. He wants something that looks like the Charger. It appears to be the Charger from the back. You playing games. You're literally not keeping it real if you're saying that you are black. You're saying that you are color. An appearance, semblance, or simulacrum as distinguished from that which is real. Hence, a deceptive appearance, a plausible assumed exterior concealing a lack of reality, a disguise, a pretext. What are you hiding? What are you covering up? Huh? What are you covering up? You're hiding your true self, is what you're doing. You're hiding your true self, your true national self with the national principles. You're hiding your true divine. You can't be colorable and say that you're a god or whatever the case may be. Look, color comes from Old French, and the Old French comes from Latin, and the Latin comes from the Old Latin, which is colos, celare, which means to cover. You know, in colored people, there is no colored people. I need y'all to comprehend that. There are no colored people. That is false. There are no colored women, no colored men, no colored boys, no colored children. That's all false. That is not based off of true and living flesh and blood men, women, and children. With eyes to see, ears to hear, and a heart to sympathize. Let's go on. Let's go to colorable in the law dictionary. That which is in appearance only and not in reality what it purports to be. Hence, counterfeit, feigned, having the appearance of truth. This is for all you colored people out there. All of you guys who say you're colored people. You're all black. Y'all colored. Y'all got the NAACP, Negro College Fund. All of this stuff. All of this fraud. What's poppin', everybody? It's JudahSon with Put It Out There TV. We definitely appreciate you for interacting with our content. If you enjoyed the content, please be sure to check the comment section or the description box for the link to the next video. Peace.